Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm now in the area 3 of Yiwu Market. Let's go and see what interesting thing we can find today. Let's go. Hello, today we've come to a store selling combs in Yiwu Market. Now follow me and pick out the combs you like. Let's go. Look over here. These are the combs that professional barbers use. Come and have a look at these wooden combs. They are very good for your scalp. Hey, look over here. These combs are really amazing. If you always struggle to your hair stuck in your comb, I think you should take a look at our comb. Now we are at a shop specializing in mirror chains in Yiwu Market. Now come with me and let's have a look. This mirror is perfect for winter. It's soft and can be hung on your school bag. This mirror is really interesting. If you're under great pressure, you can keep squeezing it and you might relieve your stress. If you have needs for products, wholesale and design, feel free to contact us. If you enjoy this visit, please like and subscribe. Also let me know in the comments what products you are the most interested in. See you next time.